Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow usage reporting on the Avenza Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Now click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button. Go to the settings section and you can find the first option, the general, and here you can find the first option, the allow usage reporting, to improve future versions of Avenza Maps. Anonymous information about which features are used will be sent to Avenza. And if you want to enable, just click to the next car icon and if it will be orange, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.